Real estate has long been a path to wealth. But what if you could own a slice of a property without buying the whole thing? Welcome to Tokenized Real Estate and Fractional Ownership. Today, I'll explain how this exciting new trend allows anyone to invest in property easily and affordably. Tokenized real estate means breaking down a property into digital tokens, each representing a fraction of ownership. Think of it as turning a building into shares you can buy, sell, or trade on blockchain platforms. No huge down payment needed. With fractional ownership, you purchase tokens that represent a portion of a building or property. You gain benefits like rental income and appreciation proportional to your stake. Plus, digital platforms make it easy to manage your investment and cash out anytime. The benefits? Lower entry costs, diversification, liquidity, and easy access for new investors. But remember, real estate still carries risks. Property values can drop, and some platforms have limited track records. Always do your homework before investing. Tokenized real estate is great if you want to enter the property market with less cash or diversify beyond stocks. So, ready to dip your toes into fractional real estate? Start small, learn the platforms, and watch how this innovative option can grow your wealth. Enjoyed this? Hit like, subscribe, and share to get more smart investing tips delivered to you.